Hello. So, assuming you're running a money lending business or a loan servicing business, and you want to upscale your business, let your teams work remotely, and save on the cost of running a business, BraveLender is the perfect loan management and accounting system that you must use because it will automate everything from data entry to analysis and reports. So basically, today what we'll be going through, what I'll walk you through on will be how to use the loan calculator. You see, it's quite difficult most of the times as a business to constantly be updating customers on how you are calculating the fees. But with BraveLender, it helps you just put in a few digits and you have the loan repayments predicted. Then you can print, automate, and then easily give out to a client for their own analysis. So let's just jump right into it. So provided that you don't have an account with BraveLender, or maybe you're just starting out your loan business or lending business, all you have to do is just sign up on BraveLender. You can visit bravelender.com, the website itself. Or if you already have an account with BraveLender and you're just getting started, all you have to do is go to bravelender.com, the website itself, and then click the login button on top right. So when you click the login button, it will take you to the login button. So what you have to do, to login page rather, what you have to do from here is either use your email or phone number to log in. It will list branches that you're associated with. Then you can choose the password. You can use the password that you used while creating your account or being invited in a situation whereby you join the team working using BraveLender. So here you can now select your branch workspace. This is the business name and the branch name. You can just say, okay, access this branch because we want to operate in this particular branch. Now, here is the loan calculator. What it does basically is, let's say you want to explain to a client that if we give you 1,000 kwacha or US dollar, depending on the currency that you're using, at 35%, you can choose either percentage or amount if you want to use different notations. For your daily repayment plan, and starting, let's say the date of starting, this is the commencement date. When will the loan start? And when are you intending to have the loan start counting? So you can say, okay, let's say it starts on 29th, which will be a Monday. And we want this loan to only be for a duration of a month. You can choose months, weeks, or days. And the excluded repayment days, let's say Saturdays and Sundays, because this client can just be paying from Monday to Friday. Saturdays and Sundays, maybe they're not making any repayments. Now, instead of you like explaining step by step, doing the math, you just have these simple fields and you click predict repayments. BraveLender, it's smart and it will do the work for you. So as you can see, you have all of this. Telling the first repayment will be on Wednesday on the 1st of December. And the repayment amount, you'll be intending to, after making the first repayment rather, you can see here the daily repayment rate is it's automatically calculated, 61.36 kwacha. This is the currency that we are using for this business. You can see that after making this first repayment, the balance that will be remaining will be this. And the second repayment falls on this date all the way up to the last repayment. And if a client makes the last repayment on 30th of December, they will remain with 0 kwacha. They would have settled their balance. So you can choose to print this and share with the customer. That's the beauty about BraveLender. So you can have all this information, just print it, then send it to a customer. And BraveLender offers all these prepackaged full features to help you run your business smoothly, reducing on the cost of running up and down. So you can choose to maybe, let's say this customer will not be paying only on Sundays, but they'll be paying from Saturday to Friday. You can predict repayments. And as you can see now, we have Friday included as part of, Saturday included as part of the repayment stays. So this is an amazing thing about BraveLender. In addition to its great features that you might observe, such as sending automated repayment reminders, telling a customer, hey, your balance is due without you having to call them. All of that offered easily and automated with BraveLender loan management and accounting software. So jump on board and feel free to reach out to the team. BraveLender is willingly always available and the customer care is perfect. So you can log out, of course, keep your account secure. Remember, we encourage that. And then you can go to the website in case you need any information and check on the updates on about BraveLender. So you can use the chat here and the team will reach out to you in no time.